And here we are. Master bathroom. We're going to install flooring, rip this large tub out, demo the back wall here. Good morning. We are back on site. This bathroom remodel is going as smooth as it possibly can go. 2 coats of paint are up right now. We have to do some paint touch up. Our texture looks fantastic. Same thing with our closet. Fantastic looking shower. Now, I'm liking this inlay more and more. At first, I wasn't a big fan, but now I do like it. It's growing on me. Fantastic look. Good little deco in that back wall. A nice beachy look. So we're gonna polish down this shower, seal all of the grout, pull the plastic here for the tub. We have our 100% silicone color match DeLorean gray, which we will run around the perimeter here, the sides of the shower, as well as the insides of these 2 windows. After that, really simple, guys. Work on the floor. Prep the subfloor. Fortunately, everything is flat and level. We don't have to worry about self-leveler. Pull the tack strips, prep the subfloor, get everything nice and clean and ready for our vinyl flooring. A lot of work. We're gonna get right to it, have some fun today. Let's go. All right, our luxury vinyl flooring is going in. Cork on the back, 100% waterproof. So we're gonna start tub and vanity wall, work our way over into the toilet room and to the closet. And then we have a transition to cap it off where the carpet is. Let's install. Little setup in here. Cordless compound miter saw to cut this quick and easy. And we got the table saw downstairs to make the rips. Alrighty, time to cut our baseboard. We like to cut it, pre-paint, install, and then paint a second coat when it's on the walls after we run our bead of caulking. Alright, like I said, we're gonna put 1 coat of paint on now. Install, nail to the wall, caulk, and then a second coat will go on. We are painting a light to medium beige, which is throughout the house in all trim, casing, and baseboard. All right, guys, we're going to be capping some of the base like so. Easy way to do that is with super glue with an accelerator. Makes it stick immediately, and then you paint and install. Just like that. Instant bond. Nice clean miter joint as well. We are making headway, ladies and gentlemen. Shower head trim kit is going in right now. slide bar for our diverter. Working on some baseboard now. Closet baseboard being installed, and then we work in the toilet room and out here as well. We're going to be pulling the vanity up Monday morning. We just got back from lunch. Extremely heavy vanity cabinet. The top is glued to the cabinet, weighs about, I don't know, 500 pounds. So we will tackle that first thing Monday morning. We're going to wrap up all the loose ends today. Baseboard, trim kit, clean everything up, and come back Monday morning to tackle the vanity, toilet, and touch-ups. Alrighty, good morning. Monday. First thing we did was haul this extremely heavy vanity and top up here. Top is attached. We pulled the drawers and the doors. It helps with the weight, but again, weighs about 400 pounds. Got this up, faucets installed, screwed to the wall. Working on baseboard right now. Tub is all siliconed up. Ladies and gentlemen, our master bathroom full remodel is complete. Now, one thing to keep in mind, our client has not been here for the duration of this project. They left on day one, gave us the key to the house. They've been gone 2 weeks. This has taken us 11 and a half days from start to finish. So they have not been here. All they remember is what it looked like before. And here we are. They're gonna come here tonight for a beautiful surprise. We're gonna meet up with them tomorrow to collect final payment, do a final walkthrough. Everything does look absolutely beautiful, really beachy vibes. Let's show you the final product of this full bathroom remodel. We will first start with the floor. At a random pattern, we installed luxury vinyl, 100% waterproof. Flows in the toilet room, main area, as well as the large closet. We installed all new baseboard throughout, as you can see here. Pulled up this very heavy 400-pound vanity from the garage up the stairs. Looks fantastic. Your navy blue brushed nickel handles with a nice Carrera quartz top. Brushed nickel for the fixtures, faucets. Under mount sinks, we installed a matching mirror as well, right here. Goes along with this beautiful double sink vanity. Let's take a look at the shower. We installed a 12 by 24 white high gloss Carrera. Looks super clean, easy to clean and maintain. We installed this large 72-inch bathtub as well. New drain kit, new mixing valve, diverter, raised the shower head, and then there's the handheld. Now our client chose a beachy vibe decorative inlay in the back wall. It is a puzzle style fish deco. It looks great, complements the blues. Nice shower door we just now installed, siliconed up, barn style rollers. We trimmed everything out with our Schluter Jolly, as you can see here. The windows, as well as the sides of the shower. Everything looks clean, looks fantastic. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. We like it. This deco has grown on us. It gives it a nice pop. A lot of space for your shampoos and conditioners on this tub. deck as well as the windowsill, so no niche. Our client will be in for a big surprise when they arrive tonight with their brand new master bathroom and shower, cleaned up and ready to go.